Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, all different stores, so to find the deals, sales, viral stuff I need, all that. So if you like shopping and all that stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So yeah, so today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This is from two locations, like the ones that are next door to each other. We definitely found some scores. It's not going to be a long video, but still, definitely found some goodies, so definitely subscribe, and let's get into this. So, first thing I got is, actually no, my aunt got a black sanitizer cover, and then I found a green one, and then one of the Sherbert hand sanitizers. I love the scent, so got Sherbert in a green holder, and then my aunt got a black holder. She said she has some, so, but yeah, so that was a score. Then got by the TheraPearl color changing hot and cold reusable eye mask, which I'm definitely gonna use this when I sleep because I sweat when I sleep. So I'm very stoked to try this. So we got her to try. Then, super random, but this was cool to me. So SpongeBob SquarePants has little figurines, I guess. So how to get them? So we have Squidward, SpongeBob, and Patrick. Now, don't ask why I had to get these, but I did. I have all the little mini brands from Dollar Tree from SpongeBob. So now we had to get the little plushies. So that's that. Then I did find the Prang color pencils again. You get 50, and this is a fantastic deal. These are expensive at Michael's. So I found these again, and I love these. So got another pack of those. Then we got some new notebooks. So we got this one, says write it down, and it's like a nice green color, and it's just lined. It's super cute. So we have that one. Then we have this one, and it says perfect is boring. And it's like the neon pages, and I'm obsessed with the neon. So we got her. Then we got big plans. And again, neon, but it's different colored neon pages. So we got this one. Then the last one says ideas. And again, different neon pages. So yeah, every one of these is different neon pages. That's why I got one of each, because yeah. Then I'm super excited for this. It's a little journal, but look at the cover. Are we kidding? And it has one of these on it, which I love. So the cover, and then it just, lined. But it's the art print that got me. So I got that one. Then the last little notebook is this Disco-y one. This is just adorable. So yeah, they're definitely stepping up their journal games right now. So yeah, that is all for stationery. Then we have, actually, this bag is kind of full of, okay, never mind, it's not all a bunch of full of randomness. So I got these stickers because I love to scrapbook, and I've never seen these before, and these were so cute. Pretty girl, makeup, all that kind of cute girly stuff, so got her. Then, now I got one of the microfiber dust mitts. Before, I know by the time this video is posted, these are $1.70, $1.50 now, but I got them when they were still $1.25, thankfully, because I'm not paying $1.50. But yeah, so I got one of the dust mats while they were still $1.25. These price hikes are getting a little bit ridiculous. Comment down below your opinion on these price hikes, please. I want to know. So yeah, I got a medium. Yeah, a medium and a large one while they were still what they should be. Okay, then again, I got these BioCell cellulose sponge non-scratch sponges before they were $1.75. I think these are $1.75 now, or 50, I can't remember. But yeah, so this was before the price hike, but I needed new sponges. So we got the BioCell ones. Then, okay, gotta get into this bag. Okay, a notebook was hidden in that bag. So it says Goal Getter, and it's like felt, and I love it. Super cute. Now, makeup and beauty and stuff. Okay, so this is whitening anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste with baking soda, and you get 2 for $1.25, a 2-pack. Now that is what you call a deal. So you get 2 of these whitening toothpaste for $1.25. Fantastic deal. Then I got these little clips. I thought these were adorable with the little pearls on them, and they match my hair. So I had to get those. So adorable. Then that Goop hand cleaner, well, they came out with an orange scent. So we have the original, and now we have the orange scent, and I had to get this. It's just the hand cleaner, heavy duty, no water needed, citrus power, removes paint, grease, adhesives, and more. This is in the orange scent, so I had to get her. So, yeah. Then, this has been out for forever, but it's the Beauty Intuition Cinnabon Scented Lip Balm. I just wanted another one of these really bad. Random, so I got one of her again. Then, oh yeah, my aunt got the Blushing Rose little chapstick dupes lip balms. She got that. Okay, now I'm so stoked for this. I finally found the Island Crush limited edition aluminum free deodorant. Finally found this. Now let's smell it. Oh, I do like the scent of that. So, aluminum free Island Crush deodorant. Finally found it. I wonder if they're gonna come out with like the wipes, the mist, and stuff in these. I wonder. But yeah, for now we got Island Crush. Then I did pick up another rabbit lip mask. I love these things. I'm going through them. So picked up another one of her. Then these are new. These are Revive makeup blenders. And you get 3 in here. I know it's hard to see, so we're gonna open this packaging. Packaging is super cute though. Squeeze, sponge, and submerge in water and release. Repeat until sponge is absorbed. So you get a 3-pack. So you get, oh, this is like a weird shape. This is kind of cool. So you get this shape and color. And then we get yellow, and then a blue. So, 3 sponges in this little thingy. Yeah, not a bad deal. But then we have a pack of 4 makeup sponges by, I don't see a brand. But yeah, so you get 4 in this little thing. And the fact these are latex free too, I really do like. So now let's see what these are. Okay, so you get 2 of these tan ones, and then 2 of these blue. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. I'm not mad at these scores. So pretty hyped for the new makeup finds. But yeah, so that completes my little haul. I know it wasn't like a ton, but I just wanted to like put it all in one video because it is some good new finds. And yeah, my scissors for cutting everything open. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, comment down below what you guys on hunt for, what I should be on hunt for, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.